Good afternoon, students. So today's class is mean continuous series less than or below. If suppose the question is given in this way, what the question is, once you see here, calculate the average marks of the students from the following data he has given. Okay, average means nothing but what we have to do here, we have to calculate the mean. So question how he has given, once you observe here, marks below he has given. Marks below 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, up to 80 he has given. And number of students how he has given 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198, 250. In that way he has given. Okay, if you are not knowing that whether it is a continuous series, discrete series, then what you will do here, directly you will do the discrete series here. Why? Because it is just like a discrete series. But here what you have to observe here, marks below. What you have to observe here, marks below he has given. If below or less than is same, okay, here what should be there, below or less than. And number of students he has given, that number of students, it is in ascending order. Once you observe here, it is in a ascending order. Okay, so these are the 2 points that we can say that it is a continuous series. What is the first point, Here it should be marks less than or below, and series should be in this way. Okay, and number of students, and this series should be in the ascending order. Then we can say that this is a continuous series. Okay, so here then how we can do the continuous series here? Class intervals are required, mid values are required means. So I will say here, once you see here, this is to be converted into simple series. Nothing but this series he has given, so that should be converted into a simple series. How we have to convert it into simple series means marks below he has sent. Marks below means what, 0. From 0 marks will start from 0 to 10. Okay, so the lowest class is 0 to 10 and the highest will be 70 to 80 in this question. So why? Because below 10 he has said. 10 means here once you see the difference here. Difference is how much here? 10, 10, 10 difference is there. So 0 to 10 here we have to take. And below 80. Below 80 means we should not cross the 80. 70 to 80 is last. Below 80 is last. So that's the point I have written here. The lowest class is 0 to 10 and the highest is 70 to 80. Okay, the frequency of the first class will be the same. So what is the frequency of the first class, 15. It will be same. So there we don't have any changes. But remaining frequencies will be changed. So once you see the answer here, so how I have taken, once you see class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Below 80, below 10. That's what I have said. Here nothing but this series should be converted into a simple series. How we have converted into a simple series? Below 10 he has said, and in between the difference is how much here? 10, 10 difference is there. So what we have done there? 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Okay, in that way we have converted the series into simple series. Nothing but class intervals we have done. Next what we have to do? Here he has given the cumulative frequency. That should be cumulative frequency he has given. So now that should be converted into frequency. So how I have done, once you see, first how much it is number of students? 15. So first one will be the 15 as usual. Second, how much he has given? 35. Nothing but 0 to 20 is 35. Clear? Once listen carefully, this is very, very important. 0 to 20 is 35. But here what is required for us? 10 to 20 only is required. 10 to 20 is required. Okay, so once I will explain clearly, listen carefully here. What he has done is below 10 he has given. Below 10 means 0 to 10. Number of students, how many students are there here? 15 students are there. Okay, that is okay. But 0 to 20, how many students are there here? 35 students are there. But already we have divided 0 to 10, already we have divided. 0 to 10, how many students are there? 15 students are there. So now what is required for us? 10 to 20 is required. What is required? 10 to 20 is required. So 10 to 20, how we have to calculate? 35 minus 15. 35 minus 15. That's what I have done here. 35 minus 15. Next, 20 to 30, how we have to do? 60 minus 35. 60 minus 35. Next, 84 minus 60. 96 minus 84. 127 minus 96. 198 minus 127. 250 minus 198. Okay, see, I have already done here calculation. See here, how I have calculated the frequency. 35 minus 15, 60 minus 35, 84 minus 60, 96 minus 84, 127 minus 96, 198 minus 127, 250 minus 198. Nothing but this way. First one as it is we have to take. From second onwards we have to deduct 35 minus 50, 60 minus 35, 84 minus 60. In this way we have to deduct, and then you will be getting a frequency. After getting the frequency, next sum is as it is. As it is, nothing but in previous problems we have done a continuous series. Same in that way we have to do the continuous same again. First of all, what we have to do, we have to find the mid values. Okay, mid values, how we have to find? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Okay, afterwards D we have to find. How we have to find the D? Same in the previous problems I have said. First, from mid value we have to assume value. Nothing but we have to take one value. Assume, we have to assume one value. So here I have taken a least value, that is 5. So mid value minus A. 5 minus 5 0, 15 minus 5 10, 25 minus 5 20. In that way you have to deduct, you will be getting a D. After that what we have to do? D dash. How to calculate the D dash? Here difference, once you see the D difference here, 10 10 10 difference is there. So D divided by 10, D divided by 10 you have to do. Then D divided by 10 means 0 by 10 0, 10 by 10 is 1, 20 by 10 is 2, 30 by 10 is 3. In that way you have to calculate the D dash. Afterwards F into D dash. F into D dash. So 15 into 0, 20 into 1, 25 into 2, 24 into 3. In that way you have to multiply, and finally sigma F D dash is how much ma here? 1135, and F nothing but N is equal to how much? 250. So now apply the formula. Apply the mean formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma F D dash by N into I. A is how much here? 5 plus sigma F D dash is how much? 1135 divided by 250 into 10. So 5 plus 4, first you have to divide it, you will be getting a 4.54 into 10. Next you multiply. After multiplying, how much you got my here? 45.4. 45.4 plus 5. So total now mean is equal to how much? 50.4. So normal continuous series, and for this what is the difference ma? Here just what we have taken, we have taken the class intervals and the number of students which he has given, that we have changed to the frequency. Okay, we have changed the frequency. Okay, remaining everything is same. Remaining mid value, D dash, F D dash, and formula application, everything is same. So in case of below and less than, once again I will explain. In case of below and less than, you should be very careful with what ma? Here the question should be either below or less than, and the series which he has given, that should be ascending order. Then only it will be a continuous series mean. Continuous series mean. Okay, clear ma? So here what we have to do? Only the difference is nothing but class intervals we have taken, frequency we have found. Okay, that is the point here. Okay, if you have any doubts, once again repeat the video and listen carefully. Okay.